Good morning, my YouTube family. Good morning, good morning, good morning, my powerful people. Yesterday, January 16th, I did a video. And before I got into the topic that I wanted to just talk to you about yesterday, I decided to do a smoothie. In doing the smoothie, I did not bring the camera into the kitchen. I just left it on the dining table and proceeded in the kitchen to do the smoothie section. When I watched the video, I got a call this morning. So, mommy, you needed to show the kitchen. You needed to show this and this and this. But you know what, guys? My home is a home for us, a family home. It is not a show and tell home. It's a home where we live, we utilize our space, we enjoy our space. We're normal people. I was born and raised in the country, so we have things that are necessary that we need for our daily use, right? So on the video, you'll notice this section of the kitchen. And I'll tell you what this is. On the top up there, I have my soursop leaf. I have my merengue, something like that. My sister had sent me some guava leaves, and those are for tea. So they're in those two containers on top up there. The next little basket, because I bought this thing when I bought the house. I saw this little space saver and I got it. And we've been using it now. This is like 15 years. So, it's not just here for show or for, it's there are things that I use that we use every day. So in the top are for little bags, that first basket up there. The next one has some little hand things for washing. I'll show you. These are little towelettes that are used. Right. That's what we have in this one. And you'll notice my little orange peel on the side over there. So we use our space. It's not just to showcase, to show. On these shelves, we have our spices. A lot of spice. Our Jamaican curry, our black pepper, our garlic. These are the things that we use a lot. Right? There's a lot of spice. We don't use all of them. We might use some and then, right? We have, for the chicken, we have paprika, right? We have chicken seasoning from Lawry's. So we have these things here because we're a normal family. We do cook when the kids are coming over. We cook for them. We cook. We cook. We use our space. Again, on the next round, we have the regular, more seasoning. I love my spiritual pepper. It's Scotch bonnet that is liquid. We have some more Lawry's, which you notice how much they're used. They're not used so much because they have salt in them, right? The next shelf, we still again, because we love our Jamaica. And we still have some packs of spices here. Again, Jamaica. So we have the Jamaican seasonings down here. This one is something for the fish seasoning, and you guys know that we do the fish. We do our escovitch fish. So that's what these little containers are for. And at the bottom, we have little bags from the supermarket. So that's what that is for. Instead of having things thrown around the place, those are what it's for. So this got caught in the video, and so I needed to just explain. Because sometimes people watch your videos and they don't listen to the content. They don't listen to the message you're trying to send. They're busy looking. But my space is used because when I bought this home, I said, Lord, first day I walked in, I said, Lord, I want it to be a blessing. And therefore, we cook. We do, we don't buy street food. We cook like normal people cook. And this bag on the floor, I was laughing out loudly because the question was asked, what's that garbage in that bag, mommy? So yes, it's garbage in the bag, but let me tell you what kind of garbage it is, people. Look in here. They're bottles, right? They're all bottles. So what we do, it used to be a white bag. I would use it to, we just put it on, attach it here, so then it's not all over the place. I used to throw away bottles, just throw away bottles and cans. Put them in the recycle blue bin out there, and they go out. When I did the surgery on my knee, how many years ago now, I was in the house because I wasn't at work, and I saw a lady came down the street, our street, and she had a cart. And on the cart, she was collecting, she went into our recyclables, and she was so happy to see all the bottles and stuff in it. We don't do a lot of sodas in here, but she got all those water bottles. So as I looked at her, I said, wow. I saw how she neatly put the stuff back. She didn't just dig up in there, took out what she wanted, and left the garbage scattered there. She put everything back. And as she did so, I hustled to the door and I called out to her and I said, I see you're collecting bottles. I said, I'm going to send you to the garage door. I want you to go try the door. I think it's open. And there are bottles in there. She got 3 big bags like this bag of bottles, and she was so happy. She was so appreciative. But we started locking the garage door after that because we didn't want people to just come in, think it's open, and get in there. But then after that, I had my birthday, and we had a big backyard barbecue, the whole works. Um, Manish water, jerk chicken, a whole lot of stuff going on out there. And so as the bottles and cans and everything, my husband collected them and he started putting them in the garage. One day he came and he gave me a certain amount of money. I think it was like $120. So what is this for? He said the bottles that were in the garage. He with a friend went and they sold the bottles and the cans and was able to put gas in the I think it was 3 vehicles. Was able to put gas in the vehicles and had money left to bring me that much money. So now I'm saying that to say this. Bottles are now 10 cents each. In where we are in Connecticut, the bottles have been is raised to 10 cents for one. So don't throw away your bottles, guys. If you save them up, if you have a space to save them, like we have the garage, and if you have the space to save them, then save them. Because they said even if we had bottles that were 5 cents on them, that they, when you go now with them, they're 10 cents. When you buy your bottles here in our state, they're charging you 10 cents for on your bill for each bottle. So sell them. Put away the money. If you have your grandchildren, buy them a bond. Buy them some piece of stock or something so as they get older, they'll have a little bit of something. These little bit adds up. If it's $60 worth of bottles that you go and you crush and you get for them, that's money that you would have thrown in the garbage or something. Put it aside and buy a stock, an Amazon stock, even a one. If it's even 1 share, buy them a share of stock. Don't just go buy another toy. Don't buy another game that is not going anywhere. Start giving them a little stock. A lot of us, we invest in all these toys and things that the kids, once the batteries run out at the end of the holiday, even before the holidays end, the batteries die and then the kids throw it to the side because the parents are not investing in batteries for them. And so I'm just saying this morning to you, it's a great day. It's a beautiful day. Whether you have snow on the ground, whether you have sunshine, beautiful warm sunshine, we're up, we're present. Let us be thankful. But as I say, instead of buying things for children that they don't need after a couple days, put the monies together and buy them a share of stock into something that is doing well or something you have a good feeling on that might start doing well. All right? So again, remember, this is Miss Bev. Yeah, my daughter's bought me some persimmon. right? That right there in the basket. And you see my fruit basket that is handmade with craft sticks, and that's math. That's a math project that I did. So guys, listen, little things, make sure you're enjoying your space. Don't be ashamed of your space. It's your space. You're putting what you enjoy in it. Just keep it clean, and that's all you need to do. Keep it clean, but enjoy it. Don't sit down and oh my god, and treat your space like it's going to break, or like, because when your eyes close, people walk in and they don't care. They're not gonna take care of it like you sit there and taking care of it. So enjoy it, enjoy it. So I just needed to explain my little space saver, guys. It might have looked a little but just know it's part of my kitchen. We do enjoy it and we use it. And this is not just food garbage, but it's my empty bottles and cans in here. And we put them out in the garage once the bag is full. So this bag is not yet full. You see, we have a lot of space left. So that's what that is, guys. It looks a little, right there. But it's the best space. My brother is coming out. He drops his bottle there. We drink our water. We put them there. And then we move them out to the garage. So please like the video. Please share the videos, guys. Thank you for all your support. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you, my old subscribers. I just love, 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 and appreciate all of you for just being here with me and supporting me. Today's Wednesday. It's I'm still home.